Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. I thought it would be fun to do something on my channel that I've never done before, and that is an unboxing of something. I ordered something off of Amazon that I got very excited about a week ago, and I just got it in the mail. I thought it would be fun to open it, try it on for you, let you see how I like it, and tell you something about it. Now, I'll give you a little bit of a sneak hint as to what's in the box. It is sun protection, and hopefully it will be some of the best sun protection I've ever had in my entire life. If you don't know my story, I have fibromyalgia and small fiber neuropathy, so my main form of exercise is walking, and I do a lot of mindfulness when I walk. I have a lot of stuff on my mind when I walk. A lot. I don't know how many people's lives are as stressful and complicated as my family's life is, but I feel for anybody who is in a similar situation as I am. I do a lot of mindfulness when I walk, so I like to be out in nature walking. I don't like to walk on a treadmill. I no longer belong to a gym. Once I developed fibromyalgia and I couldn't lift weights anymore, my gym membership pretty much went down the toilet, and it really wasn't beneficial for me anymore. So I walk in nature. I am out in the sun a lot. And this special thing I got would even be good for someone that wants to go to the beach, that's just out gardening, anybody that's out in the sun that really wants to protect their skin. Now, the first thing I do when I go out in the sun is put sun protection on, and I've been very happy with what my dermatologist recommended. It's the La Roche-Posay and Thelio 60 Melt-In Sunscreen Milk number 60. I really like this. It doesn't cause my pores to get clogged. I don't get any acne from it. It does leave a little bit of a white cast, but I think that's because I pile it on. I mean, I'm going to go through a lot of these because I do pile on the sunscreen all over my face and on my neck. My arms and my legs I really don't care as much about. I don't mind if they get a little bit of tan. I do have an olive complexion, so I am already more, I don't know if you can tell with my lighting here, I am more on the darker complected side. I don't usually burn, but my face I want to protect. I use Retin A. I am also on medication that causes me to be, I guess it's called photosensitive to the sun, so I have a double whammy when I go out in the sun. And I also have done a lot of IPLs on my skin to get rid of hyperpigmentation, and I don't want it back anymore. So when I go out in the sun, you would not recognize me because I am covered from here to here in scarves and hat. But sometimes I look a little goofy and people look at me give me a little sideways glance as to what the heck? I mean, people kind of look at me sideways and they think, okay, is this person going to rob my house or what? And I'm like, no, I'm just like walking. I just want to cover up my skin. So I thought, what can I use that would really be a great cover up, protect my skin, but wouldn't look so strange in my neighborhood or when I'm walking out in the park? And I think I found it. Let me get the package from Amazon. We will open it together and I will show you my new form of sun protection. So the intro that I just filmed and the package that I had in my hand for that intro was not the box from Amazon that I was looking for. Yesterday, I think I got the box in the mail I wanted to do the unboxing for. Let me get my trusty little knife and I will open this box right now. Are you ready? This is what I've been waiting for. My new form of sun protection when I walk in the sun. And then I'll tell you a little bit about it. This is what it looks like this, and like this. And what you do is unbutton this front like that. And that is my new form of sun protection in the sun. I know you may think I'm crazy, but when I walk, I want none of my neck showing. I pull this up really high, and then my sunglasses go on here I even have sunscreen underneath this. All this material is, let me look up the exact SPF of the hat and the neck material, and also my little, it's all breathable, as you can see right there. Let me look up the exact SPF of this. I'll be right back. I feel like I look like one of my lawn guys because this is what they all look like in Florida. The SPF of this material is, it is a solar protection 50 plus sun cap. Yeah, I believe it is 50 plus. It's waterproof, windproof, quick drying. It is very super light, and it's also all removable, but I'm not going to unbutton everything right now because this is the way I plan on wearing the hat. You can unbutton this down completely just to a baseball cap. You just take all these little snaps off. These are all snapped on, but for me, the way I plan on wearing it is like this, with my sunglasses over my hat. This is my new form of walking sun protection. It may not be everybody's choice of a way to protect themselves in the sun. For someone like me who gets most of their exercise by walking in the sun, and I want to protect what I've done with my IPLs and also with all my skin creams, I really think it's a good option. And the company is, I believe, Eye Color. I will list, if anybody really wants this, but I will list this down in the description box. This is going to become my new best friend when I walk. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing my new favorite way of protecting my skin in the sun. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.